Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown.
Hello, you're with Libby from libbystamps.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm here with another one of those How Do I Do That videos, and today we're looking at colouring our ribbon to the colour that we want. Now this ribbon was the same as this, and I've coloured it using Stampin Blends, so we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So I've got another piece of that same ribbon here, and today I've decided I'm going to go with light Night of Navy, and you simply use the brush tip and use the side of the tip so that you don't damage the end, and you just do it in broad strokes. So just broad strokes like that. Now keep in mind it will dry a couple of shades lighter as you colour and as it dries. So that's how you colour the ribbon. You can use any of our Stampin Blends. You can use white ribbon or very vanilla ribbon, as these ones are that I'm using today. And they colour beautifully, and it gives you the opportunity to use our ribbons in any colour that we have our Stampin Blends in. Now, the reason I say to use Stampin Blends is because they're alcohol based, so they're permanent once they dry, and they dry very quickly, and they do give a beautiful look when tied in a bow. So this one's Night of Navy, and we're using the Merry Christmas twill ribbon from Stampin Up in the 2019 holiday catalogue. So that's the Night of Navy one. Alright, so I'll just leave that there for you to look at, and I'm going to colour this one, which is our very vanilla with our gold metal edge, in Cherry Cobbler. And I'm using light Cherry Cobbler. I used light Night of Navy on that as well. Now, when you're doing this one, it doesn't matter if you go on to the gold, because the colour's not picked up by the gold. This is easier ribbon to colour because it's sort of shiny and slippery, but you can see that it gives just a beautiful effect. And you can then get your Cherry Cobbler ribbon or whatever colour ribbon you want that we've got in our Stampin Blends to add a beautiful bow to your card. So there's the two, the Night of Navy and the Cherry Cobbler, and we've used our Stampin Blends to do this. So Stampin Up Stampin Blends, and this is the finished product. So that's how you do that. Alright, now you can buy all these products in my online store, and I'd love you to shop with me. So go to libbystamps.com, click on the shop button, and you'll be rewarded for every shop that you do in my online store. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now.